Today at my internship, I was in charge of making an animation on an app called Toontastic, and basically you can make your own story, and it'll give you like your step-by-step thing and let you change colors of like certain characters' appearances, their skin color, hair color, the color of their clothes, swap some things out. That's what I can't swap things out. I tried, but I decided to inspire them off of the friends that I made at pre-college. And so, yeah, this is dedicated to them. See yourself in this video. I miss you. I love you. Reach out. I hope you're doing great, okay? I'm glad we made this decision, guys. Yeah, camping on Halloween is fun. Yes, but no candy. Oh yeah! It doesn't make sense to celebrate Halloween without candy. Yeah, what should we do about it? You know what? I remember hearing from the park ranger earlier today that they have a hidden cabin somewhere, and if you find it, they will give you free candy apples. Are you sure? That's good. We should go. Yeah, we should go. Wait, but how do we get there? I remember how he told me to get there. Let's all go. Follow me. Candy! Okay, the park ranger said from here we have to cross the river, so Fernanda, go ahead. Excuse me? Cross. Ladies first. No? Go over those rocks. No, thank you. You go first. No, because you, one, have a sword, and two, are a lady, so ladies first, please. This wouldn't stop me from trying. Or maybe from slipping. Stop fighting. I'll do it. Yeah, and I'll go after. Thank you, Sensu. Thank you, Bruce. Aramis, if I slip, will you help me get back up? Of course, Carlos. You have no legs. Hey, why don't you have legs? Oh, I broke them in. What is that tree doing? What did it do? Okay. Yay, we did! Yay! Now we can go get our candy apples. Yeah, we can go get our candy. Look, it's over there.